Good morning, guys. I'm coming to you from Dunnellon Mini Farms. Showing this home today. It is on 2.53 acres. It is a nice, spacious property. You can see the outside here. We have a 2018 metal roof, so there's lots of life in that roof. It's just been freshly painted on the exterior, and I'll just kind of give you a tour around the front yard. The entire property is fully fenced, and you're on a nice corner lot. This area is a very quiet area, full of mini farms. Horses are allowed in this area of Dunnellon, so great opportunity if you like your husbandry. So let's get inside and check this home out. You can also see that we just walked under an extended carport, so some nice covered space for your vehicles or if you like to hang out in the front yard. And welcome to your new home. We enter into the family room, if you will. We've got fresh paint throughout the home, tile floors throughout the home. And you can see we've got kind of a dining area in the middle there. And I'll pan you around. So nice entryway. As we go deeper into the home, we've got our kitchen right here. So the kitchen has some stainless steel appliances. It's got a new hood as well as a new dishwasher. So you can see we've got a bit of a breakfast nook there with an overhang so you can sit down and have a little eating area. Pan back over this way, we also have the opening in the kitchen there, so a little pass-through. You could also use that as another little bar area. And then we'll swing around, and you see you've got entry into the garage, as well as a pantry. Right in here. All right. Next thing we'll do is come into the living room. You obviously see this beautiful fireplace. So nice area to hang out with the family. New fans in this home as well. And we'll pan around. You can see right off of the living room, we have our screened lanai. We'll just kind of pop out here real fast. So this has a new tile as well in the exterior space, all screened in, and that's right off the living room. Nice feature. Since we're on this side of the house, this is a split floor plan, so we're going to pop over and check out your guest area. So they've got their own park-up door that we just walked through. There's a linen closet there. They've got their own bathroom, so this would be your guest bath or when you have company over. So we have a new toilet in here. We've got the shower doors. And then somewhat attached to this space, we've got a door that separates your guest bedroom, and awesome feature, a walk-in closet. I always love when the bedrooms have walk-in closets, plenty of storage, and then we'll pan you around into your guest room. So as mentioned, the entire house is tiled, so you don't have carpet to worry about, and you're all set. Easy to clean and maintain. So we're gonna head back over through the living room, and we're going to come to the owner's suite. It is an owner's suite because it has an ensuite bath, and we have another walk-in closet. So you can see tiled floors in here. And out that window there, you get a glimpse of your large workshop or shed. With this many acres, you're going to need lots of tools and toys to keep up that property, and you got plenty of storage to do so. So there we got a walk-in closet and the owners, and let's check out this bathroom. So here we go. We've got a walk-in tiled shower here. Just gonna pop that in there for you. Large vanity for 2 people, easy to share. New toilet in here as well. And then We'll head back out this way and check out the garage. So we've got a door to the garage from the kitchen. And here we are. 2-car garage, an door to the exterior, garage door opener, washer dryer, water heater are all out here. And then the next spot I'm going to take you, we're just going to kind of cruise back through the patio and check out the backyard. There's so much space to this property. It is really awesome. All right, here we are outside. As I said, it's fully fenced. The home has a well. The home is on septic. The septic was just pumped a couple of months ago, so that's all good to go. And the well was just recently serviced, so that's all ready for you. So you can see we've got our shed there. We've got an additional built-on lean-to, so you have even more storage. Kind of swing you around, show you the back of the house here. And I knew I need my sunglasses. So as this is a mini farm, one of the big draws to this home is of course the acreage. And it being fully fenced means it is ready for you and your animals. Just want to bring you around this side. Show you our entrance there to the shed. You've got a roll-up door. The shed does have power as well. And there you can see our handler, or the AC rather, on the side of the home there. All right, guys, this home is ready for showing, and we look forward to seeing you out here. Talk to you later. Have a great day.